Back to my YouTube channel, Australiana Bisaya. Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Hope nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo. Kasing buti kayo ng kalagayan ng asawa ko. Hello, papi! I'm going out for lunch with a besties today. So, someone will picking me up and my beautiful hubby is going to work. Thank you, Bobby, for letting me go wherever I go. I love you. For lunch with the besties, and then after manonood kami na. We're going out for lunch again and running away. So we're going again. We are the goers. The goers. See you, Ryan. The goers. Bye. So see you later. Bye bye.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
We are the goers, Laagan goers. Easy go, easy go, Speaking of that, I didn't have a sleep, so we need to give way with the cow, okay? With the animals here. So, yes, there's a law as well, hi. Unlike in our country. No, I didn't really have a nap. I like lying down, but you know that half asleep, awake.
That's even worse. You make you feel dizzy after you wake up, and then
Yeah, but I don't know. La 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 la, let them pass.
even after work, you home like 6, 7, you fall asleep and then you wake up again, and then you sleep again, and then of course you wake up in the morning early because you want to
See the ocean. That's the fish and prawn area there.
Oh, look at that pack. Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness,
Lucky I booked.
it's really busy. That's the restaurant, guys. Oh, it's Pelican Rocks. We're busy, guys. Daming tao. Dito na, day. Hoy, day, dito, day. Kitchen.
1 hour
Super
later.
busy, mga beautiful people. Super busy. Coke one. Coke. Easy, eh?
Yes. So,
People, pag nakaupo kayo, pwede kayo hindi magmamas. Pero pag nakatayo kayo, you need to wear your mask. Kasi yan ang rule. So, while waiting for our order, video ba tayo? Ito naman guys. Guys, tubig lang ang makaya kong inumin. So, ito lang muna ang order ko.
I just like, okay pa.
Guys, you come here. With a video because there's a lot of people, okay? So, we're having our lunch. We're waiting for... No, it's okay. Thank you. I'm doing the video. So, seafood baskets for me. Seafood basket for Anlaya and seafood basket for Cherry Berry. So our order is already here, guys. So seafood basket is looking at me. So let's eat. Sana makakain tayo. People, it's very yummy. Then $27 lang siya. Pinky. Wow. So yum. We have a calamari ring, fish, king prawn, and there's a barbecue prawn salad and coleslaw. So we're finished our lunch, guys. It is the best fish and chips New South Wales in 2017, 18, and 19. Very yummy. So, worth it talaga siya. Yum, yum, yum. So, wala na akong pagkain. Obviously. Tapos na kaming kumain, mga beautiful people. Pas-pas kami nga, marami gigukod. We're ready na may mudagan or gukdot, pinote, dita kabayan. We're going to the counter and we're going to pay. We need to wear mask. Humana may bayad. So, humana may kaon. Mangali na kami. We're going to the cinema. Yes, ticket list done.
Lovely day, Tunde.
It's a beautiful day. Right? Hotel dyan, so we can go there. We can check in there. Oh, there's another one. And I'm still wearing mask. Lunch, and then we're going for our next destination. Where? Going to Stockland. Shopping, and then we're going to the cinema. Window shopping. That's my favorite shop, $2. Don't forget. Let's gonna do this. Our next destination. We're here in the Return on Earth with a nice bag. No problem. We don't have mask. My mask is in the car. So, return and earn. Okay, so, tingnan namin kung paano. That's the one. Yeah. Wow, the machine. So, ganun pala yun mag-empty. Oh, napupunta doon ito collect. So there you go. Lagay doon sa malaking truck. Oh,
Wow,
really cool.
it's amazing, eh?
So that's the back of the Return and Earn. So ganun yun. Reduce, rewaste, recycle. We're gonna going back. So that's the clean away truck there. They're gonna put all the empty bottle. They're making a sustainable future possible. So Tomra, that's the name of the company. So we're going back later. Next stop is Kmart Stockland. So we're going there now with the gang, with the visitors. Just mga beautiful people. Daming 50%. So, wow! This one too. Yellow. Red. So, ang daming sale. I forgot my mask. So, we're still keep going, guys. On our next destination. Shopping galore. So where's the next stop? Just James. Let's go. It's a bit quiet because it's Sunday. Buy one get one free. Yeah. Buy one get one. Can you buy? Oh, look at that, guys. Buy one get one free. Having discount. So don't prices. Buy one get one free. Justin's, another shop. We're done in Stockland. We're going to the cinema now. Going to the cinema. Very busy with the Return and Earn, so we can't help because so So after this one, we're going to the cinema. We're gonna watch movie. So pag may sipag at syaga ka, mayroon kang extra income. Ingay. Ano ba yan? Parang galit yata. Yung lalaki. Ang ingay. Look at the traffic. Oh my goodness. We are going to Sydney. Huh? Jet ski, bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper. Punta kami sa cinema. Mag-manood na tayo ng sine. Bawal sisigaw ng malakas. Oh no. So we're here mga beautiful people. We're going to the mass. My mass. We're going to the cinema now. We're still okay. Huh? The Laagan, the goers are here going to the cinema. Huh? So we're here.
Because I saw there is a lot of
Popcorn. Sorry, I don't know what turn outside. So mga beautiful people, nandito na kami sa loob ng cinema. We're waiting for our yung mapanoorin namin na movie Halloween Kills. Bawal sisigaw. So yan ang yan ang likod. So huwag ko kurap. Going to the toilet. Mama, beautiful people, cherry berry. So, yes, there's no one yet here, so the three of us. Enjoy, don't share your screen. Keep my phone in my bag kasi bawal yung cellphone at saka ayaw kong madidisturb sa akin. Yes, mute. Silent. The movie. Beautiful people, so we're going home now. Time to go home. I want the killer pie, but the rice is not dead. We're gonna do it for the next. The cinema is not that cold, hey?
no, it's just comfortable, isn't it?
Unlike in your country too.
Do you want to buy Shen sweet and sour pork?
Oh no.
What? Sweet and sour pork? Shen likes sweet and sour pork.
You never try the food here. Beautiful people. So, si Australian ang Bisaya nga laagan kaayo nga sige naglaag. Umapon back to work na naman work. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my beautiful people. So sa wakas I'm home na. Australian ang Bisaya Jane nga laagan kaayo. Kasag-asa lang magsige laag. Salamat sa nanonood ng mga video ko. So if you're new to my channel, please click the notification down below the bottom. Please like and subscribe, watch my beautiful people. Bye. God bless.